This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 33.3 is a Class A RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 33.3 is built on a Freightliner XC-S chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.